back to Elite Automation. My name is Landon Helton, and I am a sophomore in high school actually. And an event like this in Automate is a really good way to, one, build exposure, and two, find colleges like this that have things that you're interested in, such as robotics, engineering, welding, plastic process technician, welders, other technicians, mold makers. And if you look right behind me, these are some of the stuff that this college personally provides. And so here we got Wayne State College and University. So this is Wayne State University, and they have industrial and systems and engineering department, and this is some stuff that they have. So one, if you're wanting to do that sort of thing, that would be a really good option. And here we got Holland Community College. We got a bunch of different colleges over here. And this is a really great way to, one, build exposure to the colleges, and one, get your name out there, two, get information on the colleges and talk to some of the people that work there, and they can tell you and they can provide their personal thoughts what the college is, and they can just give you more information that other people or maybe websites can't. So this right here, we got Miami University. We have this University Community College. We got this one right here. So I actually talked to these people yesterday. They're not in the booth right now. So this booth right here was actually made by high schoolers and some stuff that they did. So here. This is all made by high schoolers, as you can see. And so this is a really good project for not just one high schoolers, but to understand and learn the concept of robotics and engineering. One thing about STEM classes in high school it really help you with is, one, learning the basics of everything and learning a little bit about a lot of things. So in the future, when you choose a college that you want to go to, like right after high school, you will already have a better understanding of what, one, what all the colleges do, and two, you'll have a better understanding of the whole entire industry itself. So right here, we have Michigan State Robotics. And personally, this is one of my top 3 colleges I want to go to, because one, I do play football and pretty good in football. Yep, Michigan. Also, my phone. Michigan Robotics. So, yeah. This is one of my top 3 colleges I want to go to, one for sports, and two, just everything that they offer and can provide for me. And events like this can definitely lead you in the right path of colleges and what you want to do in your career. So, until next time, peace. Alright everyone, so we spent the last 4 days at Automate 2022 in Detroit, Michigan, and we are now leaving. So what is, we'll start with you. What's your favorite thing that you saw that?
Probably all the cobots.
Robots?
Cobots, yeah. Okay, Malachi.
Alright, Malachi?
Yeah. I mean, definitely seeing like different robotic cells, everybody having, you know, their booth out here, being able to see every single brand that's out here on the market. Some of the newer technologies, like kind of we have this one right here behind us, is a really good one, where it's like, I think it's LiDAR or something like that. And then also we got a special guest over here. Brad, where you going? What was your favorite thing about the...
For me, it was definitely seeing all the different brands and seeing all the, just all the different manufacturers. I really didn't realize there were that many players in the market, actually robot manufacturers. So I kind of, for me, that was the biggest eye opener. aside from that, you know, learning things that like this Neptesco gearbox is in most every robot made that's articulating arm. And that was really fascinating to find that out too. I've got a friend of mine that's a local Zebra rep down there in Evansville, and I'm sure he'd love to see this booth. I mean, they're doing some great things over at the Zebra booth.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's just the whole show. I mean, it's probably the full immersion experience of what industrial automation and computer integrated manufacturing and the next level of Internet of Things and Factory 4.0.
Yeah,
I mean, it's all here. It's all here. All of it.
My favorite thing was it's something simple as putting cardboard boxes together, but you know, it's just the simple fact of it helps form a job, and it gets people out of the market of just making boxes, where they can pursue doing something else, such as robot programming, or even engineering of the assembly line that makes the cardboard boxes. So definitely overall a very eventful experience, and this is my first Automate. It was my first show ever, so it was amazing to see.
Yeah.
What won't be my last. So
See y'all at Automate 2023.
Yep.
And also like all the other events that'll be coming up. Subscribe.
IMTS is next.
IMTS. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're gonna have like the whole list of the different events throughout the country, and keep giving reviews on what we think are the best events out.
Yep. Well, and next time, we'll see you next time. Peace.